What's up everyone, welcome back to another video here on VampFX. So in today's setup, I'm not sure if you guys have seen it on my Instagram story, but I did take a dub today on GBP USD, and I just want to take you guys through the setup. Just before we get into that, I just want to show you guys something. I took this setup on AU. We had support, resistance, a breakthrough. So I wasn't really like too invested in this trade. 1-to-1, as you can see there, risking 10 pips, profit for 10 pips. But like you guys can see, if you take a look at my previous upload, you'll be able to see some similarities in the setup. I'm not going to mention any, but you can definitely, if you just take a look over here in this area, you can just take a look and see some similarities. Okay, but enough of this now. Let's take a look at the setup that I took today, just so you guys have a basic understanding of the direction of price. Okay, so I just made a bit full screen there so we can all see. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we can see that this channel is beautiful. We have multiple touches on this resistance trend line, multiple touches on the support, and within this channel we have another young channel that we drew here. I think we drew it on 4 hour. We'll get more into that when we get to that time frame, but like you guys can see here, after price made this downward impulse, it did have some retracement. We do have a bearish engulfing candle with a fat wick on top. We could possibly expect it to break through and just come to this level, but you have a double proof here, so you should be looking for buys around this time. That's on the daily. Let's go one time frame down and take a look at 4H. Okay, so what is this that we're seeing here? Okay, here's the channel in the channel. So I drew this one up. You can see we have double touches on this resistance trend line, and then triple touches on this support trend line. If you take a look here, this would be our 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then this was kind of like a retracement move. A level that I drew up here was the support resistance key level. That helped me a lot in seeing what needed to be seen, and then I drew up the support based on the previous price that looked nice. And then yeah, that is that for the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour we have a channel inside a channel inside a channel. We have a lot of channels today, but you can see that it's all making sense, eh? So this is the one that I took today. I'm not sure if I have any videos or images on my phone. If I do, I'll throw it up on the screen now of my MT4. That will be up now. And then getting back to this, we can see that we have this level of support over here. We have multiple touches. It was an upward moving trend. Once price came to this level here, I implemented that strategy that I was talking about now before we got into the setup that I used in the previous upload. Once again, see if you guys can see some similarities of what I did here when you're comparing it to my previous upload as well as the setup that I showed you now before this in this video. But you can see I had a level of stop loss like around this area because of this support, but my proper SL was over here. I have a 2-to-4 risk to reward ratio, and then you can see price moved in our favor. We came down again back to entry, But at this point, when we entered and this green candle made its move, I trailed my stop loss, and yeah, just to lock in the profits. I do whatever it takes to secure capital, so that's what I did there. I got stopped out, and then price came back down and showed me a bars. I didn't get that, but I did bag, let's see, I bagged about 18 pips before I got stopped out. If I didn't trail my stop loss, I would have hit like 38, 40 pips. But yeah guys, I just wanted to show you all this perfect setup. This is on the 1 hour. Let's just go one time frame down. So as you can see more clear here, these things that I'm talking about, previous level of resistance turned to support, and that's what we can use to our favor to make some profit off this setup. And yeah, it just played out in our favor. And as you can see, if you look at things in a broader perspective, we have we have like a triangle type thing that's pushing to the top. So if you look at this and only that, so yeah, we got out at the right time. I would say almost could have gotten out at a better time over here, but next time these setups aren't going anywhere. They just tend to repeat themselves on different pairs, so we will catch it again. So yeah guys, that is that for this analysis. It's currently 12 in the evening. I'm kind of tired. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. I'm just glad we got the video done for the week, so now I can just edit and upload it in the week. I'm not going to say tomorrow, but in the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis as much as I did drawing it up. If you guys see anything that I perhaps didn't, please let me know in the comments. I'm always open to suggestions, and I'm so tired. Shit. If you like what you saw, please feel free to leave a like. If you're new here, subscribe, and thank you guys again for watching. Have an awesome day, or good night, sorry. Yeah, whenever you're watching, safe.